For years, it has always been thought that garbage seen strewn about in tourist spots came from indifferent or careless tourists who were least bothered by the trails of waste they left behind, but nothing can be farther from the truth. Well, it turns out that the locals are just as guilty of the crime of piling up garbage wherever they go. A case in point is the Shillong to Sora road and the tourist spots in Sora. In the foreground of the beautiful scenery of Sora lay the discarded packets, papers, bottles, cartons, plastic bags and whatnot sticking out like sore thumbs everywhere during the period of the lockdown and the closure of tourist spots in the state. It is a sad and pathetic state of affairs indeed. A people known for clean homes and yards, sparkling pots and pans and squeaky clean floors are equally just as bad when it comes to taking care of other people's homes and yards. A clear case of my garbage in your backyard. Coming to the rescue of the environment and the tourist spots in Sora is the Clean Sora campaign comprising the KSU Sora Circle, the HYC Sora Circle, the Green Tech Foundation and the Matti Society under the leadership of Alan West. This is the first time for the Clean Sora campaign to be stepping in to clean up the Sora to Shillong Road, beginning from Umtingar village. The campaign began with the distribution of pamphlets to drivers and passengers plying on the Shillong to Sora Road, exhorting them not to throw litter on the road. Mr. Alan West, talking to the media, said that this is just the beginning of the campaign to clean up the road, which will be followed by a meeting with village elders to introduce several laws and regulations to warn people against littering.